Be nice. Woo! All of them. All of them now. Look, I cleared them all. Yes. Woo! I'm loving it. Buffaloes. I'm glad I moved over because I was losing on that one. Yes. I'm glad I moved over. Because that one was killing me. Look at that. I cleared it.
That is
Just now. Oh my gosh.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Let's make it snow.
Oh, yeah.
Not only rain, let's make it snow. Come on, baby. Come on. Woo! Oh my gosh, times 3. Oh my God. Oh, my car want to stop working now. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Don't you stop working now. 27 times. Oh my God. I've lost count. Okay, to be continued. I can't hold the camera up any longer.
So you finally got them all, huh?
Look at that.
You got 6 more games.
Oh yeah.
Coins will be silent.
And that was not doing bad, but I'm too busy on this one now. Look at this. Oh my. Look, this is the one that was killing me. I'm so glad I moved over. I'm so glad I moved over. This lady had just got her money back and she got up. She put 200. I got my money back. I'm getting up. Thank goodness. This hand's paying me 300. Are you kidding me? This hand or it's all together?
Almost 450. Actually,
Oh my gosh.
440.
Ooh-wee.
430, whatever. Anyways.
Wow. I have never. I have to do the story. More. Oh my gosh. But that was times 3. Oh no, I'm loving it. That was no multiply. That was times 3. 60, 72.
Right?
Oh my gosh. Wait a minute, is that 900? Oh! Okay, I'm trying to be quiet, you guys. Okay, I'm not gonna say nothing else.
Taxable. Ready for taxable?
Oh no taxables. You think?
I know.
Cause it's not done yet, huh?
You gotta keep on coming. You gotta have at least 3 or 4 more good hands.
Well, you know what? Let them tax me. Tax me all they want to.
Yeah, you should get more coins.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Taxable, you wanna get at least 2,000. Come on.
That's right. Give me 5,000, 6,000, 8,000.
5,000, 6,000.
What if the whole screen fills up times 9, times 27?
You're a rock star, it says. Rock star!
I'm a rock star.
Yeah, you are. Come on.
All right, let's see.
Multipliers. Coins!
Retrigger. Woo!
Coins! No more coins.
I think they mad at me.
I know. Well, we don't want to tax it if you don't have 10, but it's going to be 3 more. We're going to do it. Come on, need more coins. That is really good, man. Coins!
Woo! Hey, I'll take $12.
No, actually, yeah, 12 bucks.
Man, imagine if I would have had that $1.20. That's okay. That's okay. I'm happy with it. We no complaining. Give me more. Then we can do it on that one.
Coins. Where are your coins?
Woo! One more coin. Coin.
Still though.
Hey,
5 games, that's money in the bank.
6 more games. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I came back.
Yeah.
Okay, look. Oh, that's not the game that I want to see now. Oh, be nice now.
Coinage.
Coin. Oh my gosh. Come on now. Keep it coming. Coin. Oh my gosh. That end is all buffaloes, but that's okay. I'm happy with it. I got 12 more games. Oh my gosh. Coin. coin back there. Okay. Oh, wow.
Look at me, after 91. Yeah.
Coin. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna happen. Yeah, that's all right. Look, I'm in the system. I'm ready. I am the champion of the world. Woo! The multipliers is high now. Why is he making all that noise for $18? Are you kidding me? I love you, Buffalo Gold. I love you. 60-cent bet. Wow. It couldn't have hit with 360. That'd been like $6,000. That could have never happened. I don't even want to think about it. I don't want to think about it. Yeah, it could. I told the guy got $6,700.
$100 today, you got like almost $3,000.
Remember I told the guy got $6,700 on my machine. This is what he got. He got $6,700. So and he had 360 bet. No, remember I told you when I went with my aunt that day? And I told you about it, and he cleared the screen and kept saying, well, we talked up on it. But he had 360 bet, so that's why he got $6,700. You know what I mean? The thing about it is 6 times what I got. All right, I got 17 more games to go, baby. Come on, you keep on rolling, video camera. All right. Woo-hoo. Yes. Yes. I can't wait to show my mom the video. Look, I'm still playing that one. It's not doing too bad. Keep them coming. I know I want all 5 coins. This is what that guy got on my machine that I was playing. I got up, and he got on, and he got $6,700. Yeah, he cleared the screen, but he had 360 bet. I was losing, so I got up, and he sit down, and the second hand, $6,700. Oh, probably from Francais, huh? Oh, Italian? Oh, that's even beautiful. I gotta learn Italian. It's very nice. Oh my gosh. All right, come on, let's get some coins now. Woo! All right, what is that? 120, 240, 264. Oh my God, you're taxable right now. Oh my gosh. It's still videotaping. How do you say beautiful in Italian? Bella, bella. Bellissima, bellissima. I can say it in French very good. Très bien, très bien. Yeah. So bella, 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 bella.
Come it on. My bella.
My bella. I still got 15 more spins left. Oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? 15 more spins left. Yeah. It's still recording. Woohoo! Okay, they're a little mad at me. We wanted to see buffaloes and gold. Ooh! Oh my God! Times something. Times what? Times 3. Times 4. That's still good. What is that? Oh my God! Oh my God! 12 times. That's $1,000. It's more than $1,000.
Oh my God!
Oh, at least 500. How much is that? Can you help me? I've lost count.
That's gonna be
Okay, all right. Yes, I want it on every hand.
Wow!
All right. Welcome, welcome. The winner is here. Finally, I get to win something. They welcome me back well. Bella, Bella, Bella. Oh my gosh. What's next? Oh, look. Oh, you see that? Oh my gosh. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Woo, times 2. $48 more. Yes. Make it rain. Yes, make it snow. Do it. Oh, don't you stop either. Give me a couple more bonuses. Wouldn't that be beautiful, the whole screen? I can't believe my camera's still going. I'm on 11 minutes, it's still going. I'm going to do it on that one next. I'm going to move over in a minute and finish that one off. Wow, I'm just like in awe. I'm being still. Let me stay still. I was comfortable. Am I at 1,800 bucks? $1.20 I put in this one. This is where I put all my money at. $1.20. Wow. Buffaloes. More buffaloes. More. I love you too. I love you too. What? 120 and 144. Woo-wee. Woo, doggy. Oh my gosh. Show off already. I never thought that could happen to me. Wow. At the famous Rampart Casino, where they truly treat their guests like champions. Rampart Casino, the only place to play. What's the address again? What's the address? This is going on Facebook. What's the address? Woo-wee, you got 9 more spins. Coins. Buffalo with the multiplier. Woo, doggy. $72. 72. Oh yes, oh yes. Knockout. The champion has spoken. La 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 la. Magnificent, bella, très bien. Excelente, fabulous. Wow. I want times 3 times 3 times 3. Times 3 times 3 times 3, that's what I want. Yes. Come on, baby, I got 7 more spins, lucky 7. Coin. Hey, I'll take those 10s times 2. Buffalo. Woo! $96 more. La 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 la. Only at the Rampart. Nobody treats me this well. Your forever faithful Summerlin card holder.
I got the last of this show.
Yes, thank you and thank you again. I'll take a bow in a moment. Will the real winner please stand up? I got 4 more spins. Yes, that would definitely make my day times 27. What's next? Buffalo, Buffalo. Oh my gosh, multiplier. 3, 3, 3, 3. Woo! Oh my gosh. Okay, wait a minute. 180 and 36. 216. No, wait. Oh, that's right. 196. Woo-hoo! Plus that. Plus 720. Was I right what I said was? Wait a minute.
You're right.
180 plus
That one too.
36. So 216 plus 7. 20. 220, 220. Woo-hoo!
We're gonna put your card in, cause
Oh yeah, it's not doing me right. See, they're not doing me right. It keeps on.
it's going. It's just when it locks up.
Oh, okay.
In there and everything, okay?
Alrighty.
All right. That way you speed things up. 3 more spins, girl.
I hope they re-trigger and give me 20 more spins. I can't believe this is still going. Full battery. I can show off for real.
You gotta hit the button to make it go along faster. But do that.
Oh no, I want to go slow motion.
Slow mo.
I'll take a slow motion. Times 3, times 3, times 3. Don't stop now. I'm having too much fun. Buffalo, Buffalo, Buffalo. Oh, that's all right.
Last spin. See if we get some coins.
I wish it would just re-trigger all over again. Coin. Ooh, but it's still a Buffalo. On the way out the door, I got another $54. Woohoo! Only at the Rampart Casino. Summerlin Parkway and Ramparts. There's still plenty more to go around. I just moved over. This one got all my money, but hey, that's okay. They can have it. And what was I betting? What was she betting? 60 cents. The minimum bets. If it woulda, coulda, I don't want to talk about it because it wasn't going to happen. Woohoo! 2,500. The attendant is here. I don't have to do that much. All right.